Hey everyone, and welcome. So if you're kind of tired of those facials that feel nice for an hour but don't really deliver any lasting change, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of advanced facials. We're talking about treatments that are specifically designed for real, visible results.
Let's be real. You're probably here because you've got specific skin goals in mind, right? Maybe you want to tackle some fine lines, get rid of dullness, or smooth out uneven texture. You're on the hunt for a treatment that can actually transform your skin, and that's precisely what we're going to get into.
Okay, so you've probably heard the term advanced facial thrown around, but what does that even mean? What makes it advanced? Let's break down the key difference between just a standard feel-good treatment and one that's truly engineered for change.
So here's the biggest difference. A standard facial, it's all about relaxation. It's about pampering you on a surface level, which is great. But an advanced facial, that has a totally different mission. It's all about results. It uses much more powerful methods to work on the deeper layers of your skin, and that's where lasting change actually happens.
So when you boil it all down, an advanced facial isn't just about feeling good in the moment. It's about using serious stuff like medical-grade devices and super potent serums to create genuine, long-lasting improvements in your skin. The bottom line, this is skincare with a purpose.
All right, now that we're all on the same page, let's get to the really good part. We are going to walk through the top 5 advanced treatments out there, and you'll see that each one is designed to target a very specific skin concern.
Kicking things off, we've got a fan favorite, the Hydrafacial. This is one of the most requested treatments, and for good reason. If you're looking for that instant dewy, I just drank a gallon of water kind of glow, this is definitely the one for you. It's a true multitasking powerhouse.
So why is it so popular? Well, it uses this really cool vortex fusion technology. Think of it like a tiny, gentle vacuum for your pores that cleans everything out while simultaneously pushing in these amazing hydrating serums. You get an immediate glow, and there's absolutely zero downtime. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but powerful enough to make a real difference. It's the best of both worlds. Okay, so we've talked about that incredible hydration. Now let's switch gears and talk about purification. If your main battles are with clogged pores, annoying breakouts, or just that rough, uneven texture, the deep cleansing facial is going to be your best friend. Seriously, think of it like hitting a giant reset button for your skin. What this facial does is go deep to purify your skin from the inside out. It uses things like steam and careful extractions to clear out all that deep-seated gunk. This not only helps reduce breakouts, but it really smooths out your skin's texture. Plus, it creates this perfect clean canvas, so your skin can better absorb all your other products and treatments later on. Now, what if your skin is just looking tired? You know, a little dull, a little stressed, just kind of blah. The Oxygen O2 Lift is literally like a breath of fresh air for your face. It's designed to completely revive and revitalize a lackluster complexion. And what's so cool is how it works. This facial infuses your skin with pressurized oxygen along with a cocktail of vitamins and botanical brighteners. This whole process boosts circulation, which gives you a natural, healthy glow, and it encourages collagen production. It's the perfect treatment to get right before a big event when you want to look instantly refreshed. Okay, moving from revitalization to rebuilding. Let's talk about the powerhouse treatment, focused on turning back the clock. The anti-aging facial is specifically engineered to smooth out wrinkles, improve your skin's elasticity, and bring back that youthful firmness.
So how does it pull this off? Well, it uses these super smart active ingredients like peptides, which are like little messengers that tell your skin cells, hey, make more collagen. And it often uses technologies like LED light therapy. That's where specific wavelengths of light are used to basically kickstart your skin's natural repair process. It's all about stimulating that collagen to lift, firm, and soften those lines.
And last but certainly not least, let's focus on clarity. If your main frustration is an uneven skin tone, we're talking those annoying dark spots, sun damage, or just a general dullness that won't go away, the Skin Brightening Facial is your targeted solution. So how does it work its magic? It's all about using hero ingredients like vitamin C and gentle exfoliating acids to lighten up that existing pigmentation and help speed up cell turnover. This whole process actively fades those dark spots and helps to reveal the much more radiant, even-toned skin that's hiding underneath. Okay, so you've got the rundown on the top treatments. Now let's get down to brass tacks. This is your playbook for what you really need to know before you even think about booking an appointment. We're going to answer the questions I know you have. I know what you're thinking. This is the big one, right? You're investing your time, you're investing your money, so you want to know, When am I going to see the change I'm actually looking for?
Look, you are absolutely going to see a nice improvement after just one treatment, for sure. But the real, deep, lasting transformation, that happens with consistency. For the best possible results, a series of about 3 to 6 sessions is usually what's recommended to truly correct and rebuild your skin from the ground up.
And here's a quick little cheat sheet for you. Frequency? For the best results, you'll want to go every 3 to 4 weeks. That lines up perfectly with your skin's natural renewal cycle. The great news? Most of these have little to no downtime. And yes, if you have sensitive skin, don't worry. Many of these facials can be totally customized just for you.
So, we have covered a ton of ground here. We've talked about what advanced facials are, which ones target which concerns, and what you can expect. So now, the focus shifts from all this information back to you and to your own personal skincare journey.
And that brings us to the final and most important question of all. Now that you're armed with all this info, what is the #1 thing you want to achieve for your skin? Is it that amazing hydration? Is it clarity? Is it firmness? Answering that question for yourself is the very first step to starting your skin's next and best chapter.